Go.
Okay, hi, my name is Ethan Bergman. I'm going to teach you how to make a popsicle. What you're going to need is a cup, or a popsicle maker, or an ice cube tray. I'm going to be using an ice cube tray. And you're also going to need some popsicle sticks. And so you're also going to need some type of liquid, like water, juice, flavored water, anything. I'm going to be using sparkling ice. You're going to need to put some sticks in, and I'm going to be using 5. So you're going to need to put the popsicle sticks into the tray. So now we're going to have to open your liquid and pour it into whatever you're using. Okay, and when you're done with that, you put it in the freezer. And then after a few hours of it freezing, it's going to look like this. That's how you make a popsicle.